Hello everybody. Here is our small application which is called Listen, and this Listen application is basically used for those people who cannot speak easily or can't speak in public places. This is an application where a dumb guy can use multiple items to speak up. There are different categories and pre-loaded speech clips. A person can just click on the image which defines something and which is also written on the screen. When he taps on the image, it speaks up, and once the speaking is over, he can clear it up. There are different sound clips which are useful for the people who cannot speak in different places, something like while eating, on a transportation, or in a market, like saying how much is that, or please take the money, or asking for a drink, or asking something to eat. Whereas there are some other pieces of speech that need to be supplied or spoken when it is not provided preloaded. So in this application we have the option to add new voice clips with some pictures which have been already captured with the phone's camera, and an attendant, some family member, brother, sister, or anyone can add some extra clips, custom clips for the user, such as over here you have to type it out like rickshaw, as rickshaw is required in Bangladesh and Dhaka city. Rickshaw to, say, Gulistan, which is a place in Dhaka. So the attendant, the family member, have to type it out. It will be typed in the screen, and he will record a sound clip for the attendants, which will be delivered at the time of playing. Hey rickshaw, would you like to go to Gulistan? He just clicks this stop button and it can be played again. Hey rickshaw, would you like to go to Gulistan? And then he adds an icon on it, so which he has been already pre-captured. Anyone can draw an image on the piece of paper with a sign pen and clip it or click it on the camera. He can drag it from his camera roll or any of the preloaded pictures. Just sync it up and then click save, and that's done.